wabarakatuh. I'm Heba Osama, Associate Professor of Human Anatomy and Embryology, Faculty of Medicine, Zagreb University, and Basic Medical Science in Faculty of Oral and Dental Medicine, Egyptian Russian University. My project entitled The Implementation of Case-Based Learning as a Method of Anatomy Teaching in Faculty of Oral and Dental Medicine, Egyptian Russian University. The project is honored to be with valuable advice from Dr. Marwa El-Beir. The background of the project is traditional lecture-based anatomy teaching makes the subject looks difficult, lacks many clinical correlations, and encourage limited student participation. Current healthcare students should be offered a clinically integrated anatomy course that provides an opportunity to build clinical reasoning skills based on an understanding of fundamental anatomical concepts and critical thinking skills. Dental students spend their first 2 academic years studying general anatomy as part of their basic science curriculum using the traditional method. Typically, this strategy alone cannot introduce a valid and reliable clinical correlation or improve critical thinking. The projects aim to develop and improve problem-solving skills in the students by implementation of case-based learning in early introduced curriculum and increase the depth of students' anatomical knowledge. The methodology which was used processed through 2 steps. The first step is training of trainers. The trainers here is the anatomy team. They were training or they're trained for drafting cases, how to implement and when through online session. Then assess the perception of the team members was done through comparing results of pre and post test. The second and the main core of the project is the implementation phase of case-based learning. This was done by introducing 2 cases during the spring 2022 semester in different 2 sessions, which were preceded by supplementing relative knowledge to the topics of cases. The knowledge improvement of the students were assessed through comparing pre and post-test results. Then the student satisfaction was measured through conducting a questionnaire. The result of implementation of case-based learning was detected in the marked improvement in the students' knowledge in the topic introduced to them through CPL method, as they got higher score in post-test than pre-one in both sessions or both cases introduced to them. Moreover, the students showed marked satisfaction as most of them agreed with using CPL, and they all of them agreed also that the implementation of case-based learning in topics of anatomy enhance their satisfaction or enhance their interest in studying anatomy and and challenge them to think, which in turn increase their critical thinking skills. Moreover, they recommend to apply CPL in more topics during the teaching of anatomy. The conclusion, introduction of CPL in anatomy classes had great impact. CPL enhances knowledge acquisition of dentistry students and improve the students' skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, teamwork, time management, and best use of resources. Moreover, awareness of the relevance of anatomical basis to clinical practice. Thank you.